Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be teaching you how to create and export a timeline that is perfect for YouTube long form content. This one timeline will be your mainstay whenever you want to create any content for your YouTube videos, and I will just show you how to do it without yapping too much. And just right click and there's this timeline, create new timeline. So I'm going to title this YouTube LF, which signals it's for long form and it's for YouTube. Since I know I'll be working with 4 tracks, put 4 there, and I will change this to mono. Yeah, now as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these are mono. Now name these tracks. First one, I'll just call it dialogue. Second track, this is gonna be the music, right? That goes next. This will be SFX1 and SFX2. Now it's a good idea to just color code them. I like color coding them to just know. So I'll just change this track color to something like a tan, so I know that we're working with music. And this SFX, I like to change the track color to something like a pink. Change track color to pink. So now that we have that sorted, we have the dialogue track, and usually the dialogue, it needs a limiter, and you can just use the dialogue basic preset here, and also AI voice isolation. I usually like to keep it around 60s. Yeah, this just helps to remove any additional background noise. We can increase the track level to like something like a 1.5. That would be nice. Yeah, so after that, what I like to do is I like to add my reverb effect. This is best added for the SFX tracks. So this is just, I like to use this setting, like maybe a little bit more wetness in there, and do the same thing to the SFX2. Put that here. Yep. And there you go. This is perfect. And I just save it here. No, that's not right. So here. Yes, export timeline, or you can just hit Ctrl Shift O. So just do that, save it to some place, yeah, YouTube longform.drt file, and just save it. The next time whenever you open a project, you can just drag it back in and you can start working on it. So that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching.